Good. Nice. Good. Oh! Ooh. There's a little C2. Good. 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 Good.
Yikes. That.
Good.
Oh, that feels so good.
Oh my God. There it was.
Wow.
That's what. There. Good.
Wow, that felt good.
That felt good. Felt like something I needed for like a long time.
Definitely a lot like looser
Good.
than when I first walked in here.
Awesome.
Oh, I feel a lot better.
Good.
That tightness, like, that was in my head, it's like gone.
Yeah.
Right
Good.
now. It is 100% gone right now.
Good.
Like, the second you like adjusted this one, like, it's so different walking.
Good.
It is so different now.
Awesome.
Wow.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.